Welcome to today's detailed review of the 2025 RV Outdoor Camping Van, a vehicle designed to bring the perfect blend of convenience, comfort, and adventure to outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned camper or someone just starting to explore the world of RV living, this van offers a compact, versatile solution for those seeking to travel off the beaten path without sacrificing the comforts of home. In this video, we will explore every aspect of the 2025 RV Outdoor Camping Van, from its design and performance to its pricing and how it stands up as an option for your next outdoor adventure. Let's dive in. As we begin with the exterior of the 2025 RV Outdoor Camping Van, one of the first things you'll notice is its sleek yet rugged appearance. The design of this van is highly functional while maintaining an aesthetic appeal. The compact size of the van makes it a standout in the world of RVs, allowing for greater maneuverability on both tight city streets and rough, off-the-beaten-path roads. The body is constructed using durable, high-quality materials, with weather-resistant coatings to ensure longevity and protection against the elements, whether you're driving through rain, snow, or sunshine. The exterior design doesn't just prioritize looks, it's built to endure tough conditions, making it an excellent choice for those who frequently travel to remote or rough terrain locations. Large tinted windows provide privacy and enhance the van's overall look while giving you a panoramic view of the surrounding landscape when parked. The 2025 RV Outdoor Camping Van is built with a roof that can be raised for additional headroom, which is especially useful when you're parked and want to maximize the living space inside. The van also includes an easily deployable awning that stretches from the side, offering shade and creating an ideal space for outdoor living. This feature is great for those who want to enjoy meals or relax outside without being exposed to the elements. Additionally, the van is equipped with ample storage space on the roof, including a sturdy roof rack for carrying gear like kayaks, bikes, or luggage. There's also a well-designed integrated bike rack at the rear of the van for easy transport of bicycles, making it a great option for active travelers. For added convenience, the van features multiple storage compartments throughout the exterior, allowing you to stow away camping gear or other outdoor equipment securely. Now, let's take a closer look at the interior of the 2025 RV Outdoor Camping Van. When you enter through the sliding side door, you're greeted by a thoughtfully laid out and efficient living space. While the van is compact, the design optimizes every inch of space to ensure you have everything you need for a comfortable and functional camping experience. The layout is versatile, featuring a combination of sleeping, cooking, and living areas that make the most out of the limited square footage available. The main living area is equipped with a cozy seating arrangement where you can relax after a day of exploring, and it also doubles as a dining area. The seats are upholstered in high-quality, water-resistant fabric, providing durability while also being comfortable for long road trips. One of the standout features of the 2025 RV Outdoor Camping Van is its compact but fully equipped kitchen. It includes a 2-burner propane stove, a small sink with running water, and a refrigerator that can store your fresh food for several days. The kitchen layout is designed to be both space-efficient and user-friendly, with enough counter space to prepare meals even on the go. There are plenty of cleverly designed storage compartments for pots, pans, utensils, and dry food, ensuring that you have everything you need at hand without feeling cramped. For those who prefer cooking outside, the van is equipped with an outdoor kitchenette that allows you to set up a cooking station under the awning. This feature is perfect for BBQs or simply enjoying the outdoors while preparing your meals. For sleeping arrangements, the van includes a fold-out queen-size bed that transforms the living area into a comfortable bedroom. The mattress is thick and supportive, ensuring you get a good night's rest no matter where you are. The bed is designed for ease of use, and when not in use, the area doubles as a cozy living space. Above the bed, there's additional overhead storage for clothes, camping gear, or other essentials, helping you stay organized and minimizing clutter. The van is also equipped with energy-efficient lighting, so you can illuminate the interior without using up too much power. The 2025 RV outdoor camping van also features a surprisingly spacious wet bath. While many camper vans in this class forego a bathroom altogether, this model includes a shower, a composting toilet, and a small sink. The wet bath is compact but functional, offering a level of convenience and hygiene that's hard to find in other vans of this size. This feature is a huge plus for anyone planning longer trips where access to public restrooms might be limited. Performance-wise, the 2025 RV outdoor camping van delivers a smooth, reliable, and efficient driving experience. Under the hood, it's powered by a turbocharged diesel engine that provides ample power for both highway driving and off-road exploration. The engine is paired with a responsive transmission system that ensures smooth shifts and makes navigating both city streets and more challenging terrains effortless. The van's all-wheel drive system offers superior traction, making it well-suited for rough and unpredictable environments, such as mountainous roads or wet, muddy paths. Despite its compact size, the 2025 RV is surprisingly fuel-efficient for an RV. The diesel engine helps optimize mileage, allowing you to travel longer distances between fuel stops, which is especially important for long road trips or off-grid camping adventures. With a full tank, you can expect a decent range, giving you more freedom and flexibility on the road. The van is also equipped with a state-of-the-art suspension system, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy roads or unpaved tracks. This makes long journeys far more comfortable, especially if you plan to drive for extended periods. When it comes to safety, the 2025 RV outdoor camping van is equipped with modern features to protect both the vehicle and its occupants. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera system that makes parking and maneuvering much easier. The van also features multiple airbags, a reinforced body structure, and a host of driver assistance technologies to help reduce the risk of accidents and enhance overall safety. For those traveling in remote areas, the van's advanced GPS system and off-road navigation tools will help guide you to your destination without getting lost. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 RV outdoor camping van is priced at approximately $70,000 for the base model. This is a competitive price point in the world of campervans, considering the number of features and the quality of the build. The base model includes all the essentials, such as the kitchen, bed, wet bath, and modern tech features. If you're interested in additional upgrades, like enhanced solar panels, more extensive battery systems, or higher-end interior finishes, the price can rise, but even at this higher end, it remains a relatively affordable option compared to larger RVs or luxury campers. Given its build quality, efficiency, and versatility, the 2025 RV outdoor camping van provides great value for anyone looking to invest in an adventure-ready vehicle. As for suggestions, the 2025 RV outdoor camping van is ideal for individuals or small families who enjoy spontaneous road trips, long-term travel, or off-grid camping. Its compact size makes it easy to drive and park, and it provides all the necessary amenities for comfortable living on the road. However, if you plan to travel with a large group or need more extensive living space, this van may not be large enough to accommodate your needs. But for those who want the perfect balance between mobility and comfort, this van offers an excellent solution. To wrap up, the 2025 RV outdoor camping van is a remarkable vehicle that combines style, performance, and practicality in a compact off-road capable package. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or a small family, this van will serve as an ideal base for your outdoor adventures. Its well-designed interior, powerful performance, and affordability make it a strong contender in the world of RVs and campervans. Thank you so much for watching this review. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and updates. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts about the 2025 RV outdoor camping van, feel free to leave a comment down below. Until next time, happy travels and see you on the road.